CoRoFarm. Modular containerized robot-based fly farm. Larvae of the black soldier fly convert organic residues into high-quality protein. This alternative protein source is more environmentally friendly than conventional feeds, such as soy or fish meal, whose production contributes to overfishing of the oceans and deforestation of rainforests. Sustainably produced alternative proteins are the future of animal feed. These insects are produced in regional cycles at our manufacturing SME farm cycle. Our TTE focuses on the breeding process of black soldier fly larvae, which includes filling, storing, breeding, and emptying the breeding boxes. In this TTE, we developed a solution, which contributes a high level of automation and scalability and reduces burdening manual work and ergonomic problems. Our solution is the modular containerized robot-based fly farm. A linear robot from our technology provider LERs is running in the center of an ISO container and is handling breeding boxes, which are stacked on the left and right. Furthermore, it serves the stations for filling and emptying. To easily scale the production capacity, multiple containers can be attached after each other. The Task List app, our ROS AP, allows workers as well as other software services, such as our storage management app, to easily add tasks for the linear robot. Tasks, such as, pick a box from a specific position or move home, can be added via a browser-based user interface or a REST API. The tasks will be distributed automatically via the freeware context broker using the NGSI Open standard for communicating state and will be received and executed from the subscribing robot. The smart solution based on the linear robot and the ROS AP enables a highly scalable and automated production of larvae of high quality, also under frequently changing quality of residual input and climate conditions.